Dear students, first congratulations to everybody. I am Pramod Kumar Pradhan, an assistant teacher of Naktidod block. Welcome all of you to the English class. Till now, we have already completed SGP 1 and SGP 2 of the lesson The Riddle Master. Today let's discuss the paragraphs 8 of SGP 3. Now I am reading the paragraphs 8 aloud. Listen very carefully and try to understand the theme of the paragraph. Yes, this is the paragraph 8 of SGP 3. All the boys who had been listening attentively laughed at once. All of them still sat looking at Buddhu Adam, who was sitting close to the wall. The boys knew once he finished taking red tea, he would ask them a riddle. They were getting ready for the test. When the red tea went in, the riddle came out. The bullock that raises its tail when it eats bellyful. Thrice he repeated the riddle. He who can answer the riddle will be the little master today, added the old man. Yes, my dear students, read this paragraph 2 to 3 times for your better understanding. Then, my dear students, now take down some words and their meanings which may be difficult for you. Yes, these are some keywords. Take down these words and their meanings. The first word is attentively. Attentively means with attention. Monojogo sahakare. The next word at once. At once means without delay or hesitation. Sange sange. Close to. Close to means very near. Close to means very near. Ati nikotore. Get ready. Get ready means prastuta heva. Thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Tini thara. Repeated. Repeated means recurring again and again. Punarabruti kale ba dohoraile. Punarabruti kale ba dohoraile. Yes, these are some words. You have to remember these words and their meanings to understand the paragraphs better. Yes, dear students, take down these words and their meanings and practice them to understand the theme of the paragraph. Now, let's discuss the paragraph line by line. The first line is, all the boys who had been listening attentively laughed at once. Yes, students, all the boys had been listening the story very attentively. Listening such type of a story means how Buddhu Adam cheated the moneylender and escaped himself from paying money. All the boys laughed within no time. Means at once. ସମସ୍ତ ବାଳକ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ମନୋଯୋଗ ସହକାରେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ହସି ପକାଇଲେ। ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ଆଦାମର ଗପକୁ ଶୁଣି ସମସ୍ତେ ହସି ପକାଇଲେ। Then come to the next line. All of them still sat looking at Budhu Adam, who was sitting close to the wall. That means, after finishing his story, Budhu Adam was sitting close to the wall and he was taking red tea. The boys also sat silently looking at Budhu Adam. Looking at Budhu Adam. Then come to the next line. The boys knew once he finished taking red tea, he would ask them a riddle. They were getting ready for the test. बालक माने जानिथिले जे से थरे जदि लाली चा पीवा शेष कर दियंती तापरे से मानकु गोटे रिडल पचारिबे सेथिपाई सेमाने समस्ते प्रस्तुत होतिले ए परीक्षा पाई प्रस्तुत होतिले अर्थात रिडल रो उत्तर देवा पाई बालक माने समस्ते प्रस्तुत होतिले. All the boys who were listening the story, they knew very well that after finishing red tea, Budhu Adam must ask them a riddle. Accordingly, they were getting ready for the test. Then, next line. When the red tea went in, the riddle came out. That means when the red tea went in means when the red tea finished. The riddle came out means Budhu Adam asked a riddle to the listener or to the boys. Next line. The bullock that raises its tail when it eats bellyful. When a bullock eats bellyful, it raises its tail. यार अर्थ होची बलदटीए तार लांज ऊपर को उठाए जेते बेले यह पेट पूरा खाई थाए. This is the riddle. This is the riddle of Budhu Adam. He asked this riddle to the boys and said, my dear children, first try to understand and answer my riddle. Next line. Thrice he repeated the riddle. That means he repeated the riddle 3 times. He repeated the riddle 3 times. Thrice he repeated the riddles means he repeated the riddle 3 times because he wanted that the boys would listen the riddle well and be able to answer it. So he repeated it 3 times. Then next line. He who can answer the riddle will be the little riddle master today, added the old man. He also declared that, means Budhu Adam declared that the boy who can answer the riddle, he will be the little riddle master today. से घोषणा कले जे जीए ए रिडल उत्तर कहि परिबो से आजी लिटिल रिडल मास्टर हेबो. Yes, students, these are all about your paragraph 8. Read the paragraph 2 to 3 times and try to understand the theme and get ready to answer the question. Thank you.